to describe it. I've never felt this way before. Every door opened and let all the light in, and now I can see for miles and miles since I found you. Every day you're showing me how to, yeah. How could I ever begin to describe it? We got the whole world before us. It's the moment when you know it. This is where everything begins. This is as good as it could get. You give me something that I never will forget. A feeling like this. Like this. So color the morning in crimson and violet. There's so much waiting to be found. Let every mountain and river remind us there's beauty in every twist and turn that we're taking. This is a masterpiece in the making, yeah. And how could I ever begin to describe it? We got the whole world before us. It's the moment when you know it. This is where everything begins. This is as good as it could get. You give me something that I never will forget. A feeling like this. A feeling like this. Is made. You give it all to live and give and take. Bound to be a mess, I'm fairly certain. But are you ever lost if you follow your heart? You say, called away. Find the best in every move we make. Bound to be a mess, I'm really certain, but you will never know until you follow your heart. You say, for the first time, from the bird's eye, coming into view, it changes everything. From the coastline, with a shore side. Caution to the wind, to hear in front of me loudly. I've never wanted anything more. 'Cause for the first time, I found something that will last. But if lines fade, staring down the face of give and take.
Chris, today I stand here making the easiest decision of my life, becoming your wife.
Alexis, over the last 7 years, I've had the joy of falling in love with you.
At 19, I had no idea that this shy, lovable boy would one day become my husband. You are incredibly kind, patient, and funny when you want to be. I love how passionate you are about the things that excite you most in life.
Who would have thought all those years ago I'd be standing here with my best friend and my soulmate, all in the same person. You have been such a strong influence in my life, and you have helped me shape me to the man I am today.
I love how you make me feel safe, cared for, and supported. Nothing is ever too difficult or too much of an ask. You are always willing to put others before yourself.
As we stand here, as we start our married life together, I make these promises before our friends and family. I promise to always put your needs before mine, to love you and support you in times of need.
I promise to always laugh with you, support you in your goals, and cherish the little moments in life.
I promise to always make you laugh and smile. I promise to share everything with you. What's mine is yours.
I promise to always stand by your side through life's ups and downs. For as long as I can remember, it's been you and me.
I couldn't imagine growing old with anyone else but you. I'm excited for our future together and to call you my wife.
And I feel so lucky that I get to marry my best friend.
I found something.
I'd now like to introduce you to our newly married couple, Mr. and Mrs. Christopher and Alexis Meredith.
For the first time, from the bird's eye, coming into view, it changes everything. From the coastline, with a show sign, caution to the wind, you hear in front of me loudly. I've seen the world 1,000 times, spent a while in the sky. Now I'm in a place I never knew. I've never felt I had a home. I'd settle down and then be gone, but I couldn't leave when I met you. You stopped my tracks, I'm not looking back. So I won't go so far that I couldn't have you close, 'cause you turned my heart, thought I'd let you know that I found what I need. It's different now, you've been my reason to stick around. Now all my defenses are falling down. You're the meaning of home to me. Been back and forth 100 ways, thought that I could get away from all the demons that I hide. I've been where no one knows my name. I've tried it all, it's all the same. With you I leave it all behind. You stopped my tracks, I'm not looking back. So I won't go so far that I couldn't have you close, 'cause you turned my heart, thought I'd let you know that I found what I need. It's different now, you've been my reason to stick around. Now all my defenses are falling down. You're the meaning of home to me. You're the meaning of home to me.
you.